Tonight, a potential break in the case of an infant who vanished more than 3 years ago. Her mother is now under arrest. Baby Amaya Robertson disappeared in March of 2019 when her mother, Amber Robertson, told police she handed that 8-month-old little girl off to her boyfriend to take to the babysitter. Now Amber sits in jail just 24 hours after she was arrested on child neglect charges. Before heading off to breaking news, Fox 59's Russ McQuaid spoke to her current boyfriend, who reveals new details about the young mother's arrest and why he thinks she's in jail over her baby's disappearance.
Amber Robertson said she last saw her baby on March 9, 2019, when the child was handed off to boyfriend Robert Lyons to be delivered to the babysitter's house on South Holmes Avenue. But it wasn't until March 16th that Amber told the cops her daughter was missing.
She has mentioned baby Amaya, yes, on how much she has missed her.
Police looked underneath the deck at the babysitter's house and along Eagle Creek near McCarty Street, where searchers found items related to the child's disappearance. But more than 3 years later, investigators showed up at Amber's house on the southwest side Saturday and put her in cuffs for 2 counts of child neglect and 2 counts of child neglect resulting in bodily injury.
I think they took her to jail to try to get to the main one that they want, which is Robert Lyons.
It was Lyons, Ryan Morris says, the police were looking for when they came up on his porch Saturday and grabbed him instead. You seem disappointed you weren't Robert Lyons?
They seem very disappointed. Very. I believe that Robert may have done something, and they think that she may know something about it, and she just ain't opened up and said anything about it.
Morris said Amber has recently been talking to an attorney and was called downtown Friday to testify, though there is no record of any public case involving her, and there is no information related to her charges on a court website, though such charges could be unsealed Monday. Russ McQuaid, Fox 59 News.
Now, a charge of child neglect resulting in bodily injury doesn't necessarily mean the person did anything to harm the child themselves. Those charges can also stem from being aware of an injury but doing nothing to stop it. IMPD isn't saying anything more about this case or those charges tonight. We are still waiting to learn more after a shooting last night in Plainfield at the White